Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I'm not cooking for you, but I do want to share Aldi's advent calendars. So if you were lucky enough last week to snag up some of their advent calendars, I know you're really excited about Christmas and all that you're going to be getting out of these fun boxes. So I have several that I'm going to show you here today. I had a couple of people ask me, well, what's inside of the wine advent calendar? So I'm going to show that to you. But I also wanted to show you a couple of other fun calendars. This one here is for the dog, so you can't leave your dog out. So this is just like the little chocolate calendars, but they have dog treats. And so you just open one of these little windows every single day during Advent, and your dog gets a special little treat. So be sure to let me know where you're watching from, if you're catching this live or if you're watching the replay. And then I did get my boys, can't tell them, this is a secret, so hopefully they don't watch this video. I got them the Lego advent calendar. So these are pretty cool. So I prefer these over the chocolate advent calendars because they don't need any more candy, right? They don't need any more sugar. So I love this because every single day they're gonna be able to pop open another fun Lego character. And so you're gonna look for the day and you kind of do it in order, and every day they get a new one. And it has this little fun little track that this can go on. And so this has, where is it on this side, 349 pieces. So you guys know Legos are expensive anyways, but I felt like for 349 pieces, hopefully this was worth the price that I paid for it. The other Lego calendar that I got is the Star Wars one. This one was about $10 more than the Lego City one, but because I have twins, I needed to get them something different. And so I snagged up one of each of these, and this one has 335 pieces. So those are the Lego and the dog treat ones. But let's talk about the wine advent calendar, because this is the one that I keep getting the most questions about. So you can open this one of two ways. So if you wanted to just take them all out, you can open this from the top and just take each bottle out. If you want to actually use this like an advent calendar and open them every single day, then you can punch out the little hole for each day and pop out your bottle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you every single one that's in here, and I'm gonna do this with you guys for the first time because I haven't opened any of this. So this is gonna be Moscato, and I'm not gonna open these in any particular order. I will tell you that I tend to use these for cooking or a nice little gift. You can pair it with a wine glass. So this one is Sauvignon Blanc. So you've got a white wine, another white wine. You just pop all of these out. We have a Cabernet. We have, let's see. Okay, so this is a rosé, like a champagne. So that's always fun. Give that with some orange juice. And then we have reindeer red. So you've got a red wine. And let's see what's in the next one. So let me know which one of these you would be most excited about getting. This is a sweet rosé. I love that they're these little individual sizes. So even if you're going to be enjoying these yourself, makes them very easy to take to the beach or the boat or wherever you're going to be going. So we've got a Pinot Grigio. And next up, we have Chardonnay. So if you saw my video for the grilled chicken penne al fresco, Chardonnay, that's what you need for that one. We have a Merry Red, another red wine in this one. Next up, we have a red Moscato. I don't even know if I've ever heard of red Moscato before. Then we have another Chardonnay. So some of these might be duplicates, and that's all right too. We have a Winter White. And next up, we have a Merlot. So if you like red, that's the one for you. And I will tell you, if you're in Sarasota, Florida, the Aldi on 41 still has some advent calendars. I'm going to open up a few of these real quick. All right, and then we've got another Sauvignon Blanc. We have another Pinot Grigio and another Cabernet. A few more to go. We have Snowberry Blend. So see, these are some fun flavors. Let me grab a few more here. And then you can just put these in the pantry and grab them as you need them. So we have another white Zinfandel and another red blend. So our Taste Buds recipe for this month the Taste Buds holiday dinner box. It has a beef tenderloin, and you need red wine for that. And so I'll be using one of these reds for that. We got another Pinot Noir. Actually, that might be the first Pinot Noir. And then we have just a plain rosé here. So this is just a fun thing for everyone. Well, adults anyways. Pinot Noir and a Riesling. I think that's the first Riesling. And then it looks like we have another champagne. So this is what comes in Aldi's wine advent calendar for 2021. If you snagged one up, be sure to let me know that in the comments. And if you're local, I know the Sarasota store on 41 still had some of these when I was there on Monday. So I expect that some of them will have it. I know last season there were some well into the season. All the toy ones seem to go fast, but they also have a beer advent calendar. I did not buy that one. I don't drink beer and I don't cook with it enough to need 24 or 25 bottles of beer or cans of beer. So let me know what you think. I hope you're excited. I hope you're in the holiday season. And if you are new to this channel, I hope you'll join me at my recipe community. You can find it at theflipflopchef.com. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.